Ay! English!
English!
3 words. Bunny! Rabbit! Kengkoy! Kapal!
May cat.
May cat! May cat! May dog!
Nagbe-bake.
Nag-bake yung cat at dog! Ano din? Uy! Garfield!
Ay!
Garfield the baker.
Oy! Garfield!
The pastry chef.
Uy!
The Garfield movie.
Sabi pa ko ah.
Isa anong sabi?
Hindi ko dad.
English.
English.
5 words.
Dami.
First word.
First word.
First word.
Word. Rainbow. Amazing. Amazing world imagination.
A whole new world.
Wow!
A whole new.
Aladdin.
Everybody.
Second word na lang, second word.
Second word. Syllable. Syllable.
Everything, everywhere.
All word. All at once. Diba? Everything.
Ano po? Everything, everywhere, all at once.
Everything everywhere. All at once.
Oh, pindot. 3 words.
3 words.
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
First word.
Amen.
The prayer.
Tagalog ka.
Ay,
Ama.
Lord. Ay, Panginoon.
Dasal.
Dasal.
Ama. Lahat. Ama namin.
Second word.
Five
Syllables.
syllables.
Sayaw.
Balik. Babalik. Ano yan?
A. Gulo. A. M-A-B.
Ano nga yun? Alam namin to kanta.
Buwan.
Buwan.
Ay, oras.
Oras.
Ilog.
Rewind! Ay, rewind.
Wala na. Talpag dito.
Nababaliw.
Tao.
Bumalik ka na.
Bumalik ka na sa
Bumalik ka na sa akin.
Bumalik ka na, please.
Lord, patawag.
Jopay.
Sana maulit muli. Paano na? Sana. Please, sana maulit. Tagalog.
4 words. Singer.
Sulat?
Sulat. Eraser.
Eraserhead?
Po.
Wala na pre.
English.
English.
2 words.
Together. Alone together?
Ang bilis.
Together.
Alone together.
Together alone.
Alone or together?
Together me and you, together and together. Second word.
Second word.
Me.
Together you.
Together and me.
Together
and
us.
Together and us.
Alone
And together.
Alone together.
English. Ilang words? 8 words. First word. Sound, listen, hear. Ano yun? Voice. Eat. Call it. Call. Huh? Call. Call. Call salas. Call salukas.
8 words?
Salas. Call. Ano ba Paul? Matutulog si Paul. Paul. Boy and girl.
Call it.
Paul. Call it. Paul. Boy and girl. Call it man and woman. Call it man and woman. It takes a man and a woman. Sounds like.
Ah, yun ba yung sounds like?
7 words really! 6 words.
English yan. First word. Second word. The give.
Give,
Takes.
give.
A give. Sense.
Sounds like.
Sounds like Hendrix. You, Jai. Hendrix. Me, you.
Woman.
Pangalan na word.
Pangalan.
Lang. Second word na naman. Ha?
Body.
Fasad. Fasad. Wall.
Ah?
Rose. Na horror to.
Horror. First half ng syllable.
Sounds like.
Sounds like. Paul.
Paul.
Ang galing ka!
Paul.
Second half, second half.
Ano ba? Poland. Paul.
There?
English ba? English?
Oo, puta.
Here?
To there.
Paul! Team error.
Bawal. Ililipat. Paul move. Ayan, ano ba? Paul
Outside!
Inside out. Ano ba? Paul out. Inside. Paul inside out.
Syllable. Paul. Pull out.
Inside. Paul
Paul
out
outside.
inside. Paul outside. Fuck! Ano yan? Reaction yan, di ba?
Ay, ay!
Me.
Me.
Second word.
Wala.
None.
Me. Yung first syllable, me. Second.
Ang sirit na daw.
Apple.
Pero akala ko yung mga word. English. Character. Babae. Annabelle.
English.
Girl. Girl, woman, female. Ano?
Baby.
Lady
Lady
in
of
the
Jump. Book.
Four
Four
words.
Three.
Third word.
Third word.
Third word. One syllable.
See?
Nowhere.
No.
See.
See?
Deep sea.
What?
Red.
What? See? No word.
First
First
word.
word. Ocean.
Ariel.
Ano po?
Lost.
Ayun.
Lost. Third word. Lost.
Alam nila.
City in the sea. Lost city. City. Ganon. Lost city in the sea. Ganon lang yun. Alam ko yun yung may bangka.
Pets.
Yung may bangka.
Ball.
Yung may patas nag-explore sila. Hindi ko alam yun.
Doraemon.
The city.
Ah!
The
Monster!
Yan pa yung red.
Meron na nga. Yung may pula.
Yan pa yung pula.
Pero huwag niyo tanongin kayo, hindi ko nila panood.
Wala.
None. Wala. Black. Non-existing. Non-existing. The non.
Deep.
Non-CB9. Walang first word.
Explore.
Merong isang first word.
Sounds like.
Sounds like. Lost City, Los Angeles, Los City, Angeles.
Lost City.
Lost Sea, Lost Fish,
Lost statue. Lost fish.
Atlantis, may Atlantis yun.
Papanorin na.
First word, Atlantis. Atlantis. Oh my God. Atlantis, the Lost.
Atlantis.
The
Lost. City.
City. Picture. Atlantis colon. The Lost.
Home.
The Lost
Home.
Sea. The Lost Land. The Lost Land.
Lost City.
Soul.
Ano?
Kingdom. Castle.
Castle Palace.
Nasawa na naman ako. Southside!
Meron.
First syllable.
Yan.
Ayan, ginaya na ako.
Paul.
Prince.
No. Prince. More.
Emmanuel.
Well. M.
Okay.
Ano ba?
Ang tagal na.
Atlantis.
The Lost.